Hi,
Hello, Sultana.
hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
How was your day today?
It was interesting.
Really? Why?
Yeah, today we had parent-teacher conference, but my parents couldn't go because they were too busy. And I got my report card back.
Report cards
Yeah,
about the first quarter or
first quarter, yeah.
why is it so late?
I d- no, I don't know, but like probably the first quarter ends in like every 2, 3 months, I think. So that's why.
Your school started in August, right?
No,
No? What do you mean no?
started in September 7th.
Really?
Yeah.
So late. Here we started schools on August 7th.
Oh,
So now we are in the middle of second quarter.
yeah.
This is right actually fifth week of second quarter.
Wow.
Interesting. But 7th, September 7th is too late.
Mm.
Hey, most schools in Texas, it starts in like August.
For us, it starts at September 7th.
Interesting. Sultana, today we will practice how to multiply rational numbers. Okay. As you see, the rules is very simple. To multiply one rational number by another rational number, first make sure that they are in fraction form. Multiply the top by the top. That means numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. And how about if we have to divide, right? First, you should change division into multiplication and flip the next fraction. It becomes multiplication again. Okay, so
Um,
now we're going to practice these three rules. How to multiply or divide, multiply two rational numbers, divide by one rational number by another rational number, and leaving your answer or writing your answer in the simplest form. Okay?
okay.
Against Sultana, we are going to use that multiplication things a lot. That's why at the beginning we practice with it a lot, so that you should be fast in, you know, 7 times 8. You should tell me immediately 56. 8 times 9 is 72. 11 times 11 it is 121. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Okay. If you want, can practice just 2 3 minutes, then we can start. Okay.
Okay.
What is 5 times 7?
It's 35, 35.
35. 7 times 8.
It was 56.
56. 2 times 56.
Um, 2 times 56.
Yes. 2 times 50, 100. 2 times 6, 12. 112.
112.
Right? Yeah, you should multiply like that.
Okay.
And what is 3 times 27?
Mm, so 3 times 2 is so then 9, 81.
81. Very good. What is 9 times 9?
It's 81.
81. What is 11 times 12?
Um,
You know what is 11 times
132.
11, right?
Yeah, 132.
132. Okay, very good. And now let me ask you some division, Sultana. Okay? Division. What is 21 divided by 3?
Um, is 7,
7. What is 39 divided by 3?
13.
13. What is 49 divided by 7?
Um, 7.
7. What is 72 divided by 8?
Uh, not 9.
9. Yes. What is 64 divided by 4?
six, 16?
64 divided by 4 is 16, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, now let's start, Sultana. So in this question, evaluate the following. That means that if we need to multiply, multiply, or divide, divide. As you see here, the first number is mixed number. The second number is fraction, right?
Yeah.
First, we have to change the mixed number into fraction form. Can you change this? Can you convert this into improper fraction? How do you do that? 2 times 3?
Two
6
times
plus 2?
6. Wait, 2 times 3?
Yeah, 2 times 3 plus 2, right?
Yeah. Oh, 6, 8.
8 over 3
Yeah.
times 5 over 14. Look, Sultana, before you multiply, okay, I suggest you to write these numbers, okay? Simplify first. As you see here, 8 and 14, right? They are even numbers. So that means I can simplify them. I can write 8 as 2 times 4. And here we have 5. And 3 times 14. I can write it 2 times 7. You see this 2 and 2, they are common factors.
Yeah.
You see, they are common factors, right? So they
Yeah.
cancel each other. And after that, I cannot simplify anymore because they don't have any common factors, right? So
Yeah.
4 times 5 is 20.
20.
3
Yeah.
times 7 is 21.
21.
That's the answer. As you see, it is numerator is less than denominator. We cannot simplify anymore. That is the answer. And how will question be? Now it is division, right? The first step, I should change division into multiplication. So here we have 24 divided by 55 times, flip it, 11 over negative 8.
So
And also
20.
keep in mind that Sultana immediately, sometimes I can change this A times B to B times A. You remember this?
Yeah.
What is the name of this property?
It was
The first letter is C.
co
Co,
op qua
commu,
cooper or something.
commutative.
Yeah, commutative.
Commutative, right? Commutative property of addition. So now let's continue. Because immediately I can change, this 11, instead of 24 times 11, I can write 11 times 24. Why? Because it's easy to simplify. I can write 11 times 24. 24, can I write that 3 times 8?
Yeah.
Yes. Now 55, right? 55, I can write this 11 times 5. And here we have negative 8. You see, now I can see the common factors. Can you see the common factors?
Yeah.
See, 11, 11 is gone. And 8, 8, it is gone. At the top, we have, because you see, positive over negative, the result will be negative. At the top, we have 3. At the bottom, we have 5.
Oh, okay. Could you explain me the last part?
First, I just factored the top and bottom, right?
Yeah.
And we're just canceling out the common factors because this, you see, I'm just using this property. This C is a common factor, right?
Yeah.
So that's why we can cancel this out, right? And the 11, instead of 24, I wrote 3 times 8. You see, this is called manipulation. And this idea logic is really important in math. Instead of 8, I can write 8 or 2 times 4 or 2 times 2 times 2 or 16 divided by 2, right? In a lot of different forms, right?
Yeah.
And also 55, can I write it as 11 times 5?
Yeah.
Yes. Now here we have negative 8. And after that, as you see here, all numbers are multiplied, right? In multiplication form.
Yeah.
So we can just cancel out the common factors. As you see here, 11 and 11, the same numbers. We call this common factor. And
Oh,
the 8, 8, also common factor, right? Because negative 8 means that it is negative 1 times 8.
oh, okay.
All right. As you practice more questions, Sultana, you will get better idea, okay? Just watching one or two questions, we cannot learn math. You have some idea, practice another one, practice another one, okay? As you
Yeah.
practice more and more, you have self-confidence, you increase your knowledge and also experience.
Yeah.
Okay. And now, how about if you have three numbers, okay? And after that, I will ask you to practice some questions. If you have three or four or more, okay, first, as you see here, all of them are multiplication and division. So I need to change the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Okay. The first one, can you tell me what is 1 and 4 over 13? Can you change this to convert this to improper fraction?
Yeah. So first I do 13 times 1.
Uh-huh.
So then 13 plus 4.
So that's 17, right? So
Yes,
that's
so
17 over
17
13. Okay,
over
we are
13.
done with this. Times negative, the second one.
Uh, 7 times 5 is 35. So then 35 plus 4. And then, so 39 over 5. The
39
negative
over 5.
39. Yeah.
Done. And next one, I'm going to change this into multiplication. Division becomes multiplication. Now this 3 is at the bottom, right?
Yeah.
It goes
So
to the top. So here we have 3. And the top, we are going to write this in the denominator. 11 times 3,
33,
33 plus 1.
34.
Actually, it should be 34 over 3, but because of this division, right, we just flip this fraction.
Oh, so
And
you
next
just
step
flip
is,
it.
Sultana, okay, multiply the signs. What is the sign of the first number? Is it positive or negative?
13.
Hmm?
It's positive.
It is positive. The second number,
Negative.
negative. The third number,
Positive.
positive. What will be the result? Positive times negative times positive.
Um, Positive times positive?
Yeah, positive times negative times positive is equal to what? Negative or positive?
Ne Negative.
Negative, right? That's correct. Because positive, negative, 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 positive, negative. So the answer is negative. And after that, draw a single fraction line. Okay, and also factor the numbers. The 70 is a prime number, right? And 39, I can write it as 3 times 13, right?
Yeah.
And sometimes you can do this mentally, but now at this stage, you should practice this way, okay? And after a certain level, we can do mentally. Here we have 3. And how about at the bottom? Here we have 13, and
13,
here we have
5,
5.
and
Any
30.
factor 34?
No, we just like did.
Yes. It is 17 times 2, right?
Oh. Oh, yeah.
And now, what are the common factors? Can you tell me?
The least common multiple.
No, no, no. Common factors. Now we have to simplify, right? So we are going to cancel out common factors.
So like 17 times 3 and
No, 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 no. 17 and 17 is a common factor, right?
yeah. And
Next,
13 and 13.
13 and 13, right? Do
Yeah.
we have any other common factors?
Yeah, 3 and
No,
3.
no.
Oh, yeah.
3, 5, and 3, 2, they don't have any common factor. We don't have any common factors anymore. So now let's simplify. 3 times 3, it is 9.
9,
5 times 2, it is 10.
10. Wow, that's actually not hard. That's like kind of
Not,
easy.
not hard, very simple thing. Just you should understand what to do, but sometimes it takes 2, 3 steps, and students, they cannot think. But if you can think, our purpose of learning math, Sultana, again, what? To learn to think and to learn to solve problems, right? Two purpose.
Yeah.
We have two goals. By actually practicing these exercises, we are improving your thinking skill. Okay. And after a few years, when you go to a company to work, when they ask you a question, when they give you a task, you just sit and think, right? Where should I
Yeah.
start? How should I solve this problem? Right?
Just
And
like
how
a
do I
test.
do these calculations? Okay, that's why education is important. Okay, Sultan, let's continue. All right.
For
Now
myself?
you try this question yourself. I'll give you 90 seconds. The first step, convert all the mixed numbers to improper fractions. And after that, draw a single fraction line. Write, all the numbers at the top, at the bottom, and simplify, and tell me your answer. Okay, 90 seconds.
I got 6.
Good. That's correct.
Can I tell you how I did it?
Yes.
So I simplified it. So I got 7 over 2 times
Okay. 7 over
24
2 times.
times 24 over 5 and
Uh-huh.
times 5 over 14.
Okay. And if you see here, at the top, at the bottom, these are seven same numbers, right? Immediately you can cancel
Yeah,
it at the top, at the bottom. Okay. So now here we have 7 times 24
yeah,
and uh, and 14, right?
yeah.
14, I can write it as 7 times 2, and here we have still 2. You see 7, 7
Oh,
cancels each other, right?
yeah,
24 divided by 4 is 6.
yeah,
Okay, very good. Now the question B. It's a bit confusing, but just you know what to do, right? Change division into multiplication and flip the
yeah.
fraction. That's it.
Do I do 5 divided by 4 plus 1, or do I just do the same thing?
The first, okay, if you change this, okay, 5 times 4, 20, that is
Yeah,
21, right?
yeah,
Over 4.
or 4.
Okay, divide. First, let's just convert the mixed numbers to what is the improper fraction? 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus
10
4,
over 5.
14. 14 over 5, right?
Yeah.
Divided. 1 times 9. 9, 9 plus 7
Mm-hmm.
is 16 over
16.
9.
10 over 9.
And now we change this. So the first one, 21 over 4. So division change into multiplication. Times 5 over 14, right? And also division
Yeah.
into multiplication, flip this fraction, 9 over 16, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And now
So
the only thing is this
I got
21 and 14, they have a common factor, right?
yeah.
As you see, other numbers, they don't have any common factor. So 21, I can write it as 7 times 3, and others are 5 times 9. And here 14, it is 7 times 2. Here we have 4 times 16, right?
Yeah.
Only the 7, 7 against each other. Other numbers, if you look at
So
this, they don't have any common factor, right? Except for 1.
yeah, so then the answer is gonna be 135 over 128.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now do question C.
The answer is gonna be negative, right?
Yes,
Okay.
because positive, negative, positive, so the answer is negative.
Is the answer negative six? Wait, can it also be in different forms?
Yes, but just tell me the answer first. What is it?
I got negative 16 over 3.
Yes, that's correct.
Oh,
So 3 times 9, 27 plus
20.
1, it
So then
is
I did, yeah, I
28,
did
right?
28 over 9 times negative 18 over 5. Then I divided it 21 over 10.
Okay, and I just flip this. Since the result is minus, I can put minus in front of this, the whole fraction. So
Yeah,
as you see here, now if you simplify this 5 and 10, right? You see, they cancel
yeah.
each other. I have 2 here.
So then,
And this 27, 18, right? And 9,
yeah,
they cancel each other. We have 2 here. And this 28 and 21, both numbers are
it's gonna
divisible
be
by
3.
7. It is 3 and 4, right? Did you do like
Yeah,
this?
yeah,
Yeah, that's it. Minus at the top. 4 times 2 times 2. It is 16. At the bottom, it is 3.
yeah. I
Okay.
also did, like, there's also a different form. It's, what do you call it? Could it also be negative 5, 1, and 3?
Yes, of course. In the fraction form, it is negative 5, 1/3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, this one is actually better answer. Always write the mixed number. Okay, now let's do some word problems. Read the question.
A school has 3 over 4 kilograms of detergents in stock. During the Use Your Heads campaign, each class will be given 3 and 8 kilograms of detergent. There are 28 classes in the school. A. What fraction of the school will be supplied with detergent in stock? B. How much detergent will be required, although for the whole school?
Okay, the first part, a school has 6 and 3 over 4 kg of detergents in stock, okay?
Yeah,
During the Use Your Heads campaign, each class will be given 3/8 kg of detergent. All right. So there are 28 classes in the school. Now the question is, what fraction of the school will be supplied with the detergent in stock?
so Mm, we first do 6, 3 over 4 times 3 over 8 and 28.
What does it say again?
Would we do 6, 3 over 4, uh, times 3 over 8 and 28?
Okay. First, we are giving, right, 3/8 kg of detergent, right, to each class.
Yeah,
How do we know that, Sultan? How do you find that? How many classes receive detergent? So suppose that n classes, okay?
yeah,
So that means that to find the number of n, altogether we have this much detergent, right? Right? And we
yeah,
should divide it by each actual class is getting this much, right?
yeah,
Because if, for example, if you have 10 classes, if each person gets $5, then 10 times 5 is $50. Or how can I know the number of classes? 50 divided by 10, that is 5. So now we should divide it. Okay. So now change this mixed number to improper fraction. 6 times 4, 24 plus 3 is 27,
plus
right?
3 is 27.
And now we just write multiplication and flip this fraction, right?
8, yeah.
27
You
divided
have
by
to,
3, 9, right?
yeah,
8 divided by 4, 2.
yeah,
So that means that 18 classes, right? Dot, dot, dot. 18
yeah,
classes receive detergent, right?
yeah.
But in the question, Sultan is asking what fraction of the school will be supplied? How do we answer this question?
So like we have to also turn it into a fraction.
Divide 18, right?
Yeah,
Divide by
divided by
all classes, right?
oh yeah,
Because that
total.
fraction of the school were supplied with detergent. So let's simplify this. Both numbers are divisible by 2. It is 9 over 14.
Yeah,
So that means that 9/14 of the school received detergent, right? Or supplied
yeah,
with detergent, right?
yeah.
What is the second question? Can you read it?
B. How much detergent will be required all together for the whole school?
How do you solve this question? How much detergent will be required altogether for the whole school? How many classes are there?
28.
28. And each class needs how much?
3, 8.
3/8, right? That's it. So
Yeah,
we need this much detergent needed, right?
yeah.
And now we should simplify this. This means that is 28 times 3 over
So
8.
it's oh so it's uh it'll be
And 28,
20.
8, both numbers are divisible by 4, right?
Yeah.
7 times
So
3 divided
yeah,
by
so
2,
21 over 2.
which is equal to
21 over 2.
10.5 kg, right?
What?
Yeah, 21 over 2 equals 10.5, right?
Oh yeah, when you simplify it. Yeah.
Okay. So, because you can write maybe like this, 10.5 kg of detergents are needed for the whole school.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue. Very good. C,
Oh, there's part C. Okay, so how much more detergent does the school need to order?
how many classes didn't were not supplied with detergents?
Huh?
Altogether, there are 28 classes, right?
Yeah.
And 18 of them were supplied, right?
Yeah.
So how many were not supplied?
Uh, 23.
10, right?
Yeah.
10. And each class needs this much detergent, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Because we know that 18 classes were already supplied with the detergent. And the remaining classes, that means the total number of classes, 28 minus 18, that is 10. So 10 times 3 over 8. 10 times 3, it is 30, right? 30 divided by 8, or divided by 2, 15 over 4.
4.
So
Yeah.
which is equal to, now let's change this into mixed number. That is 3 and 3 over 4 kg of detergents are needed for the rest of the school.
Okay. Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
All right. Very good, Sultana. Now you are getting really improving fast. Inshallah, you'll be the top student at school. If possible, if there are math Olympiads, you need to join some math Olympiads or competitions, Sultana. Also, is a kind of motivation for you.
My school does math Olympiads, but not many people joined it, so they canceled it and they said for next year. And I want to join next year, so.
Okay. Read the next question.
D, if the school gives out the detergent in stock to the 15 lower secondary classes first, uh, how much detergent will be given out and how much detergent in stock will be left?
If the school gives out the detergent in stock to the 15 lower secondary classes first, how much detergent will be given out? So to answer this question, 15, right? And each class gets how much? Do you remember?
Yeah, 3 over
3
18.
over 8, right? And that's
Yeah,
it. 15 times 3 is 45 over 8, right?
yeah,
And if you divide 45 by 8, it is 5. So it is
yeah,
5 and
5.
5 over 8 kg, right?
Yeah.
And how much detergent in stock will be left? And to answer this question, how much did we have at first?
6, 3 over 4.
6 3 over 4. So we had this much, 6 3 over 4. And now this 5 over 8 already supplied, right? Or what is it? Given out.
Yeah.
So we should find this difference. Also, in another way, can we solve this question another way?
Uh, by simplifying it,
Yes. No, I think, okay, let's just continue like this. So can you subtract this? First, we change into improper fraction, right?
yeah.
6 times
So,
4, 24. Is it
right,
27?
yeah, I think so.
And this one is
Oh,
45.
yeah.
But 4 and 8, they are different. The common denominator will be 8,
Uh,
right?
8, yeah.
So multiply the first fraction top and bottom by 2. So that is 54 minus
Minus
45, right?
45. Yeah. And
What is 54
54
minus
minus,
45?
it's 9.
9. So this 9 over 8
9 over
or
8.
1 and 1 over
Yeah.
8 kg of detergent will be left, right?
Yeah.
Not used. Okay, very good. Question 3. Read the question.
A. Last year, Peter spent a total of 1/6 hours on community services. Uh, visit visits to old folks' homes made up 4/7 of the total time. How much time did he spend visiting old folks' home?
How much time did he spend in visiting old folks' homes?
What's that?
Hmm?
What's old folks' home?
Old age people.
Uh,
What do we call this? Old age people, right?
yeah. So, can I solve it myself or?
Yeah. You try. I'll give you 90 seconds for you to give it a try, then we'll discuss.
Uh, mm, mm, Do we first convert the mixed number and then to an improper fraction, right? So then 6 times 8 and then plus 1 and then 49 over 6 hours and then so then we multiply 49 over 6 with 4 over 7.
Yes, that means 4/7 off means times, right? The total time. What is the total time? 8 and 1 over 6, right?
And yeah,
Yeah, it's asking this. Yes.
so then we simplify it and then I did 49 times 4. I
Now
simplified.
this 49 and 7, I can write it like this. 49 times 4 or
Yeah, and then
7
6.
times 6, right?
I did 6 times 7.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
49 and
and
7, they are canceled by 7. So here we
so
have
then
7, right?
it's yeah, so then 7 times 7 times 2 times 2,
Uh-huh.
and then 2 times 3 times 7, and that equals 14 over 3 hours.
Yes. And now if you change this into mixed number, 14 over 3, that is 4 and 2 over 3, right?
Yeah,
So that means that actually he spent 4 and 2 over 3 hours at old folks' home or old age people's home.
yeah,
Okay, good, very
yeah,
good. Now you see, these kind of questions are really important. It really improves your understanding skill, you know. A lot of
yeah,
students, they don't understand the problem. That's why they cannot solve it. If you understand, math is really easy, Sultan, especially you have, potential, you're a clever girl. And if you just, practice, it becomes piece of cake. And also for your future, in the United States, if your English and math is really good, you can study at top universities, right?
yeah. I want to go to high school. My teacher said I could go to FTI or something. It's like for a fashion designing school.
Okay. Let's continue. Read the next question.
This year, Peter plans to spend one-fifth of his time spent last year on community service. Find the time he will spend on community service. How much more time will he spend this year than last year?
Last year he spent how much? 8 and 1 over 6, right?
Yeah.
8 and 1 over 6. This year, Peter plans to spend 1 and 1 over 5 of his time spent last year on community service. Find the time he will spend on community service this year, right? So what do we do here?
So first we
Multiply, right?
yeah,
So it
multiply
says
and then
1/5 of means times of what? His time spent last year. Last year he spent
well it
8 and
was
1 over
8
6.
and 106.
That's 8 and 1 over 6. Okay. So 1 times 5, 5, right?
5.
5 plus 1 is 6. So
6 over
6
5
over
and
5
then yeah, and
times
then 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. 49 over 6.
you said 6 at the top, 6 at the bottom, right?
Yeah, so we remove it.
So they just cancel this. Here we have 49 over 5, and they don't
5.
have any common factor
Yeah.
except for 1. And now let's change this into mixed numbers, Sultana. 49 divided by 5. How many 5s are there in 49?
49 divided by 5. Uh
9 times 5, 45, right?
yeah.
10 times 5, 50
Wait,
squared.
so
So that is
it's
9.
yeah. So,
4 over 5.
yeah, 9.
Okay. Now, question 2. Read the
How
question.
much more is it the how much more time will he spend this year than last year?
Okay. So that means that we need to find
how much more time he spent like
Difference,
this
right?
year than yeah.
So this year he spent this much time, 9 and 4 over 5. Minus last year he spent this much time, right?
Yeah.
Can you find the difference?
Okay. So 9 times 5 is 45, and then 45 plus
One way is Sultana, you should also try this method because I know that this fraction, is it greater than this fraction?
no.
Yes, because 4 over 5 is greater than 1 over 6. How do I know that? Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, 4 times 6 is greater than
Oh,
5 times 1, right?
yeah.
If it is so, Sultana, if it is so, we can do like this, okay? So subtract whole part from the whole part. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. And what is it?
Uh,
Fraction part, right?
yeah, fraction part.
Okay, fraction part. That is 4 over 5 minus 1 over 6. So common factor is, it is 30, right? So here we have 4 times 6 minus 5 times 1, which is equal to 24 minus 5 is 19 over 30, right?
Yeah,
So the answer will be that the whole part is 1. It is 1. Fraction part will be 19 over 30.
yeah.
If actually, if it is uh, bigger, if it is not, you will have negative fraction. You need to make some adjustments. Maybe a bit after certain levels you can do that, but right now it's a bit early for that, okay?
Yeah.
So what is the answer then? The answer would be
19
you
over.
spend this much more time than last year, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue. Oh, it's a bit long question. I'll just skip this for now, but you should try this. If you try this, it really improves your problem solving skill up. Let's just read it, okay? Then we'll see.
Okay. For 5 boys, Alan, Ben, Chris, Dan, and Ent share a sum of money. Alan takes 1/5 of the sum of money. After Alan has taken his share, Ben takes 1/3 of the 1/3 of the remaining money. Uh, After Ben has taken his share, Chris takes 1/4 of the remaining money. After Chris has taken his share, Dan takes 1/7 of the remaining money. After Dan has taken his share and takes all the remaining money, what fraction of the sum of money is N's share? So
You try to solve, okay? And let's do discussion after 1 minute.
it seems a bit easy, but like also a little hard at the same.
Hmm?
It seems a bit easy. It looks easy, but like it's like okay.
Okay, Sultana, look, I'll show one methods.
Wait,
Are you solving?
Yeah. So like,
Okay, let's finish it then.
um, I'm almost done, but I think it's kind of wrong.
For calculation, you can use your calculator, no problem.
Oh, okay. I don't have a calculator. Okay. Okay. So, I did it a little faster because I used the calculator for some of the part, but so, is it 13 over 35 or 12 over 35? I think it's 12, right? Right?
Look, we'll do it together. One way is, Sultan, if you look at the denominators, okay, let's do the algebraic way. So if you look at the denominators, here we have it is 5, right? So this one is 3, right?
Yeah.
So this one is 4. Sometimes this happens, I don't understand. Okay. So now, what is the least common multiple of 5 and 3 and 4 and 7? They're all, as you see here, whole prime numbers. Their only common
Yeah.
factor is 1. So 5 times 3, 15. 15
15.
times 4, 60. 60 times 7 is 420. Okay? So
Yeah.
now suppose that, Sultana, suppose that, so this sum of money, right? I don't know how much is it. Suppose that the sum of money, okay, that's equal to 420p. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's start now. It says that first Alan, right? The Alan got how much? 1/5. 1/5 of means times of the sum of money, 420p, which is equal to 84p, right?
Um,
So remaining, okay, remaining is equal to 420 minus 84p, which is equal to 336p, right?
yeah.
And after Alan has taken his share, Ben takes 1/3 of the remaining money. So Ben takes 1/3 of the remaining money. Remaining money is 336p, which is equal to 112p, right?
Yeah.
So now remaining, we had this much money, 336p, right? Alan
Yeah.
B already took this much money, 112p. So that's equal to 3 minus 1. It is 2 and 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So we have this much left now. And now
Oh,
C, 1/4. So C took 1/4 of the remaining money. Remaining money is 224p. Divided by 4. 22 divided by 4 it is 50. 24 it is 6. 56p.
6P.
Now
Yeah.
remaining money. So we had this much money left, 4p, and minus 56p, right? So what is 2 to 4? 2 to 4 minus 56. That's equal to 168.
Yeah.
And now how about D? D took 1/7. 1/7 of the remaining. Remaining is 168p.
Yeah.
It's equal to 168 divided by, what is this, 7? That's equal to 24. 24p. So the remaining money then, it is 168p minus 24p, which is equal to 140, how much? 44, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it. And now it says that the E, right, got the remaining one. So we got this much, 144p, right?
Yeah.
Now what is the question? Can you read the question?
What fraction of the sum, what fraction of the sum of money is n's share?
Okay. So what fraction? Just to find this one, each share would be 144p, right?
Yeah.
Out of how much? What is the total amount? 420, right?
Yeah, 4-0.
420p. This pp cancel each other and divide by 2, 72. Divide by 2, 210.
Yeah.
Divide by 3, it is 24. Divided by 3, it is 70. Divided by 2, it is 12. Divided by 2, it is 35. Did you get 12 over 35?
Yeah.
Okay. But you got really fast. How did you get this?
I use a calculator. I mean, for some of like half of the question I didn't understand, so I was like, "What?" And they were like, "You could use a calculator." So I was like, I times that like quickly, and then I was thinking, and then I no first I got 13 over 35 because I miscounted it, and then I was like, "Is it 13 over 35 or 12/35?" And then you explain me right now.
Mm-hmm. Good, very good. I mean, if you can do that fast, it's really good. Okay. All right. Now, arithmetic operations on rational numbers. Okay. Now, there's addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction together. And again, you know PEMDAS, right, Sultana? P, E, M, D, A, S, right? This P stands for
Parentheses,
parenthesis. E,
exponents,
exponent. M,
multiplication,
multiplication. D,
division.
division, addition, and subtraction.
Yeah.
But division, actually multiplication, whichever comes first from
It
left
the
to right.
it depends.
Yes. Good. Very good. And now let's do this question. What do we do here first? We can do this together and you'll try the next question.
So first we put the simplest form.
First, we actually start with the innermost parentheses, right?
Yeah.
So here we have 1/3 times, let's add this. What is the common denominator? It is 4, right?
Yeah.
So it should multiply by 2. 2 plus 1, it is simple number, is 3.
Yeah.
And now this one is changed into multiplication. It is 6 divided by 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So 3 times 6, here we have 3 times 6
Yeah.
over 3 times 4, right?
Yeah.
3, 3 cancel each other. 6,
So
4. Both numbers are divisible by 2. 3 over 2.
3 over.
Or 1.5.
Wait, where'd you get 3/2 from?
Huh?
Wait, where'd you get 3/2 from?
There's 6 over 4, right? So
Yeah.
there's 2 times 3 and 2 times 2.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Now you try question B.
Okay. Um, I got one 1/3.
1 over 3. Okay, first, let's see this
Can I tell you what
immediately.
I did?
This 3 cancel each other. That's equal to
Yeah.
1 over 4, right?
Yeah.
Minus
And
1 over
then
12.
minus 1 over 12 and then divided by 1
And
over
this
2.
division 1 over 2, immediately I can change it into multiplication. That is 2, right?
Yeah. So then
Okay.
1 over 4, yeah, and then 1 over 2 minus 1 over 6.
3 minus 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4 over 12.
Yeah.
So that is 1/3.
Yeah.
Did you get 1/3?
Yeah, I got 1/3. But
Good.
I did it like I added like first I did 1 over 4 minus 1 over 12 divided by
Now, for inside the parentheses, you have to simplify completely. Then
then
divide that.
after that I did 1 over 2 minus 1 over 6 and then I rewrote it and then I did 3 minus 1 over 6 and then yeah.
Okay. But you got 1 over 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So then let's stop here. Maybe I sent this already to you, I think, right?
Yeah, I think so.
We can practice this 3D. You're going
Yeah.
really well, inshallah, and it will be really good. Okay, Sultana, we'll continue
Okay.
on Sunday. If we can finish this rational numbers next week, and after that, we will start solving equations. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Sultana, see you on Sunday. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome.